Hello, dear students. Let's start our new chapter, Nuclei. In the previous chapter, we have done about atoms. What are the atoms? What are the constituents of atom? How atom is made? In that chapter, we hear a term nucleus. Nucleus is discovered by Rutherford. In this chapter today we will discuss all the basic terms of nucleus. What is the structure of nucleus, how the nucleus is made, what are the constituents of the nucleus. All these things are discussed in this chapter. The name of the chapter is nuclei. What is nuclei? Nuclei is the plural form of nucleus. जब बहुत सारे न्यूक्लियस मिल जाते हैं that is called nuclei. न्यूक्लियस स्ट्रक्चर की बात करते हैं. आप देखिए बच्चे, सपोज कर लिया हमने ये एक एटम है. एटम के सराउंडिंग में एक पॉजिटिव टर्म है और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उसके अराउंड में घूम रहे हैं. इस पॉजिटिव टर्म को यहाँ पर इस पॉजिटिव टर्म में सारा का सारा मास बाद में पाया गया, बहुत टाइम की बहुत डिस्कवरी के बाद बोहर ने पाया कि याद पाया कि इस पॉजिटिव टर्म, ये जो पॉजिटिव पॉइंट है, इसमें पूरा का पूरा एटम का मास कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट है. एटम का पूरा मास कहाँ है? इसके अंदर है. पूरा एंटायर मास एंड द पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑफ द एटम इज कंसंट्रेटेड इनटू अ वेरी स्मॉल वॉल्यूम. बहुत छोटी सी वॉल्यूम में कंसंट्रेट करता है, उसे कहते हैं न्यूक्लियस. क्या कहते हैं? न्यूक्लियस. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस. आगे बात करते हैं हम. देखिए बच्चे, ये पूरा का पूरा जो एटम है, सपोज कर लिया कोई भी एक एटम है और उसकी जब उसके ऊपर डिस्कवरी की तो देखा गया कि उसकी रेडियस क्या थी? 10⁻⁻10 मीटर. After some time, when we conclude about radius of nucleus, then we find the radius of the nucleus is 10⁻⁻14 to 10⁻⁻15 meter. It is found that radius of nucleus is about 4 to 5 times less than the radius of an atom. Clear? From here we can conclude that nucleus is very small as compared to an atom. What is nuclear structure? How the nucleus is formed? What are the constituents of nucleus? There are two constituents of nucleus. These are neutrons and protons. And sometimes we call the combination of neutrons and protons as nucleons. Now the question arises, what is proton? Proton is a positive charge. It has the same magnitude of charge as an electron has. Charge on an proton is equal to charge on an electron, that is equal to 1.6 cross 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Similarly, if we talk about the mass of the proton, then that is also equal to the mass of electron, that is 1.6726 cross 10 raised to power minus 27 kg, or we can call it 1 AMU or 1 mu. Clear? Now switch to neutron. What are the neutrons? Neutrons are the neutral particles. They don't have any charge, but they have mass, and the value of mass is 1.6748 cross 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram. The symbol of the neutron is 0 and 1. कोई भी चार्ज नहीं होगा न्यूट्रॉन पे. न्यूट्रॉन एक न्यूट्रल पार्टिकल है. Now come to the atomic number. It is denoted by Z, capital Z. What is atomic number? It has number of protons in the nucleus. The value of atomic number is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus, or you can say that number of electrons. Both the value of protons and electrons are equal. Mass number is denoted by capital A. What is the mass number? Mass number is the combination of number of protons and number of neutrons, so you can say that number of nucleon. As I tell you before, the number of protons and number of protons and neutrons in the combination form called nucleons. Atomic mass is equal to mass of proton, mass of neutron. Clear? Now come to the symbol of an element. Suppose X is an element. Here A denotes mass number. Mass number comes above and below is atomic number. This is the denotation of an element. For example, we have sodium. What is the atomic number of sodium? Atomic number of sodium is 11. And what is the mass number? 22. Similarly, calcium, 20 is the atomic number, 40 is the mass number. Clear? Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.